cooling system. The combustion of the fuel-air mixture results in the release of a huge amount of heat. The engine will quickly overheat and fail if not cooled. Therefore, engineers designed an engine cooling system. This system is primarily required to keep the engine cool and at its optimal operating temperature. It is located directly within and around the engine. You can see the key components of the cooling system. Let's review the liquid cooling system in detail, gradually complicating the layout. Heat is removed from the engine via cylinder block ducts and cylinder head ducts. These ducts, known as the cooling jacket, are filled with coolant. The cooling jacket is situated around the engine cylinders and serves the primary purpose of removing heat from those cylinders. The coolant doesn't stay in the same place. Instead, a water pump keeps it circulating in a closed loop. In turn, the pump is normally rotated by a belt drive that is powered by the crankshaft. This type of pump is known as a centrifugal pump. The liquid would be cooled too slowly in this setup, causing the engine to overheat. Therefore, the radiator cools liquid through a high-efficiency heat exchange process. The radiator is made up of two tanks with an inlet pipe for heated liquid and an outlet pipe for cooled liquid. The tanks are linked together by a system of tubes. Fins are added to the tubes to improve heat transfer capacity. These systems are referred to collectively as the radiator core. A drain valve is normally located near the bottom of the radiator. The radiator is also equipped with one or more fans that boost the flow of the air traveling through the radiator in case the system fails to cool the liquid to the proper temperature. When a specific temperature is surpassed, the fan is turned on using the radiator coolant fan switch, or more commonly, the engine coolant temperature sensor. The sensor also displays the current coolant temperature to the driver on the dashboard. Typically, the sensor is positioned near the engine coolant outlet. It should be noted that the cooling system is a sealed system. When the coolant is heated, it expands, causing the pressure in the system to rise. This is required to raise the coolant's boiling point. However, excess pressure must be released to prevent system harm. One of the ways to do it is to use a special pressure cap on the radiator.